So the best way to clean mildew off of the exterior of your home prior to painting is by using bleach. And I use a 2-part water, 1-part bleach solution in a garden pump sprayer. And I wet down all the surrounding surfaces first, wet down the wall. I wet down the foliage, all the plants around, get everything wet first so that when bleach comes into contact with it, it's diluted immediately and it won't burn the plants. After I apply the bleach solution, I let it sit for at least 2 to 3 minutes, but you don't want it to dry out, and then go back and rinse it off. Some areas may require a little scrubbing, especially if there's green algae. That seems to really hang on to the surface. But with mildew, it's like black spots. You'll see it change color almost immediately when you hit it with the bleach. So, and then you just rinse that off and you're good to go. You can also add a detergent like TSP to your solution. I'd say the 3-gallon solution that I mentioned earlier would take about 1/3 of a cup, 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of the TSP in it. And that also cleans and etches the surface and gets it ready for a repaint. You do have to be careful because it does etch, and it etches glass. So you want to make sure you pre-wet all the windows down real well, avoid spraying it directly on the glass, and make sure you rinse it real well afterwards. I would use just bleach and no TSP if the house primarily just has mildew issues. But I would use TSP if it was really grungy, you know, a much dirtier surface along with the mildew. And also if the previous coating was very smooth. So basically like sanding it with the TSP, it'll etch it. So it's like liquid sandpaper in effect. So if I have adhesion concerns, like on a garage door is a good example, then TSP is a good addition. And then there's other products you can use if TSP is not available, like Durtex, or I've heard of people using laundry detergent, powdered laundry detergent in their solutions, or dish soap. But there's a lot of cleaning agents out there you can use, and they do sell products commercially that have bleach in them. They're designed to remove mildew, but generally fairly expensive compared to a gallon of bleach. And if you already have a garden sprayer, you're in there.